Hello guys, peace of the Lord with everyone. Today I want to show you something about the Muslims' way of answering, and I will show you their trick, how they lie, how they make themselves even after lying look like a fool, because lies will not save you. Telling the truth is the only way to save yourself. And lie, the much you lie, your nose will grow. Let me show you how this guy nose is growing. Now this is a kid is asking a question. He's just a little kid. Maybe he is not even 8 years old. Asking the Imam, is Allah, or you say that's Allah, he reflect light? He did not understand what he was saying because supposedly this guy, Zakaria Naik, whatever his name. By the way, the word Naik in Arabic is a very bad word. I don't know why he had that last name. I think he don't know. Anyway, it's like the F word. Anyway, so he's asking him, you said that Allah reflect light. Can you explain that to us? So I want you to hear the question and the answer and laugh with me.
Okay, you said that Allah reflects light and he's made a nur. I didn't really understand that.
The brother posed the question, he didn't understand my explanation to the counter-argument of William Campbell regarding Nur and Allah. The Quran says in Surah Nur, chapter 24, verse number 35, that Allah is Nur samawati wal ard, is the light of the heavens and the earth. He is the light. The meaning of light in the Quran, it is reflected light or borrowed light. So he is asking, does it mean that even Allah has got borrowed light? So the answer is giving further. If you read in the verse, it says that it's like a parable of a niche. In the niche, there is a lamp. Lamp has a light of its own. That means Allah has light of its own, as well as that light of its own is also being reflected. The light of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is again being reflected by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself. Like a halogen lamp that you see here. It has a tube in between. The lamp, you can refer to that as a siraj or a wahaj or a diya. And the reflector as munir or nur, borrowed light or reflection of light. And furthermore, but natural, this light.
Okay, so this is what this guy he said. I don't know if you understand what he was saying. Always I thought my English is bad, but I feel better now because hardly I can understand what he's saying. Anyway, so he is saying that Allah, he borrow light and he reflect light, but he is the light, and he is a lamp inside the candle. But what does that mean? Like, let me show you why he is so confused and he looked like a fool when he answered this kid. This is a kid, he's not even 8 years old asking him. If we go to the Quran, this is the verse. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. He is the light. Okay, so in here we will see, or as we see, that the God of Islam saying, he's talking about himself now, so nobody can say this is not true, this is a lie, etc. Allah describing how he is, and isn't it funny that's Allah saying Allah nuru samawat wal ard? If God is talking, why he's saying I am? Like when Jesus he say always I am. Right? He don't say Jesus is the light. Is that correct? I am. Not Jesus. As long as Jesus is talking, if I am talking about Jesus, I will say Jesus is the light of the world. But Allah in here is talking and he's saying Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. So who is the one who is talking? If Allah is talking, he will not start saying Allah is the light of the earth. In here you will see right away, you don't need to be a genius, you don't need to know Arabic. Always when we speak in any language, in Arabic I don't mention my name if I am the one who speak. I will say I am. Especially as long as I'm talking about myself. I will not say, I am Christ, I am, and if he said in the beginning, I am Allah, it's okay, I will accept that. But he's saying Allah. Allah is the light. So who is the one who's talking cannot be Allah, for sure. But this is not the topic. Now let us continue. And you can see that all over the Quran, which, proving to us that the one who made the Quran cannot be Allah. So in here we will see that the Muslims translate this verse to us and saying, Allah the same as if he is a light, as if there is where a niche within a lamp, and within it a lamp, and the lamp enclosed a glass, the glass as it were brilliant. In here you will see the lie. In the Quran doesn't say star, it says a plant. You see how they lie? The word star in here, and I can show you that. Just hold on. This is Google translation. This is the word kawkab, as you see it. I put it down in here. You see it? And you can compare with it. If you don't speak Arabic, you can compare with it with the surah in the Quran. This is the word kawkab. Here we go. I made it as a picture, so you will see which one is the one is kawkab. Okay? So I will put this one in the side, and you look with me at the word of the translation I made in Google translation. You see? Here we go. Do you see it? This is kawkab, and this is kawkab. So we will go and we will click in Google translation, and we will see whatever Google translation do translate, we will take it, just to show you that Muslims don't ever trust a Muslim when he translates the Quran. Muslims are, they don't have any kind of honesty. They are a nation of lies, and they grow up by lie. Because why you are making it a star when it says a plant? And you will see all over the translation they are doing, because if they say planet, it's mean Allah is stupid. They have to make it a star. Ask any Arab guy where in the verse it says star. Where? Show it to me. Because if you forgot, there is a surah in the Quran, it's called An-Najm. An-Najm is a star. Kawkab is not a star. Because if they say Kawkab is a star, is a planet, it's mean, how Allah he say he is a source of light, and he is saying the same as a Kawkab, as a planet. You know what I mean? Because a star do shine and give light, but a plant will never do that. So in here, a very easy way to expose how stupid is the one who made this verse, and showing us why this guy, the one who claimed to be a scholar, an Indian guy who do not know even how to say one Arabic word correctly, and he don't speak even English correctly. I feel so good about my English now. Why he look like so fool in front of a kid asking him how you say that God Allah is the light, and in the same time he reflect light. This is very stupid thing to say. Well, because his Quran is saying that to him. And by the way, as long the Muslims saying that Allah is the light, and he is light, and he reflect light as a planet, as you see. Here we go. This is Google translation again. If we click at translate, it does go to translate. This is Kawkab. Okay, we will get a translation in a second, and you will see that the word, you see it. You see the translation? Let me make it bigger. Do you see it, guys? This is Google translation. You can try with me. And no Arab translation ever will say to you that Kawkab, go to any, don't tell him what is the story. Go to any person who speak Arabic, Muslim one. Don't go to an Arab or Christian. Go to a Muslim one without telling him why you are asking. Tell him the word Kawkab. Kawkab. What it does mean. If you don't know how to write Kawkab, you can even spell it in English way. Kawkab. Let me put it to you in English way. Kawkab. Ask him this way. Kawkab. How this word Kawkab, what this word mean in Arabic? He will say to you, it's mean a planet. So Muslims, they have to lie in the translation, saying to you, it is, and look, I look in Shakir, I look in Yusuf Ali, I look in Biktal, all of them, they are translating the same. They are saying star. Star. All of them. Filthy, low class people. Because I cannot respect you when you are a liar. If you speak Arabic well and you are a translator and you can translate, at least, this is a very easy word. Kawkab is a star? No way. So what is a star then? Let me show you the other surah in the Quran. And this is a dictionary. This is an Islamic dictionary. It's called Shakir.com. Okay, it's very well known. You go there, you put the word Kawkab, they will give you the explanation. It's a planet who go around the sun, and he get his light from the sun. This is the word Kawkab. You see it? It's exactly as it is in the Quran. Look, you see it? So why Muslims are lying? Shame on you Muslims. We will continue after this.